boiling?
Yeah. First you put the
Yellowfin fish. Came from Jinsan. The water is already boiled. And put all together.
You put any salt or no?
Not yet.
After.
After?
Yeah. Fish very fresh.
Yeah.
The next you put the all together. Yeah. Tomato. Put this garlic.
So tomato and garlic first?
Yeah. The onion. And this one,
Put this chilies.
yeah. Oh. Next, then the last,
Green onion.
green onion. Together.
You see what it is?
Seasoning. This one, magic syrup, Philippine product. And this one, the seasoning, the what we call this pure monosodium.
More salt.
Yeah, and then salt. Oh, kung English ano tayo? Seasoning. It's really very easy. Easy to cook. And the next one, the last, salt. Depend on your taste.
Yeah. Not the whole thing, right?
Yeah. If you like, oh, yung put very salt.
Too much.
Next we wait for another boil.
How long?
Takes 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. By the double.
And next for dinner tonight?
Yeah.
That one.
Doggy. I think it's cooked. Ready cooked.
That's us?
Yeah. So fast. Very easy.